Welcome. In this video I will show you how to synchronize your Helio Ring's recorded data with Google Fit and Health Connect services. First of all, you're gonna have to open the Zepp application on your smartphone, then open the Home tab and then tap on your accounts icon or a profile icon in the top right corner of the screen, then select third-party account linking, and then select Google Fit. If you want to connect it with Google Fit, you're gonna have to stop right here and then select the account that you want to link. This has to be the same account that you're using in your Zepp application, and once you do that, you'll be able to your data will be synced with Google Fit. Now there is an issue with Health Connect, as you can basically synchronize your data with Health Connect just simply by entering your Google Fit application if you have it installed on your smartphone, and then syncing your data with Health Connect either here or by tapping on your profile icon and selecting settings. I don't think they are here. So profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner and switch the toggle next to Sync Fit with Health Connect. Or you can directly sync your Zepp account with Health Connect, but if you select Health Connect and then sync your data with Health Connect, there may be a duplicated data. So if you want duplicated data in Health Connect application, the one will go through from the Google Health app and the other one from the Zepp application. So if you want to connect your Health Connect application, then first you're gonna have to make sure that your Google Fit data isn't synchronized with Health Connect, and then you'll be able to tap got it, keep and continue, and then select the permissions for the application. So what data do you want it to read, and then tap allow. And now you have both applications synchronized with your Helio Ring. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.